Philippine Luzon.
Sirs, good morning. Sabi ko mong salita habang ako'y nagbibis ng aking direktor may nakasingit sa akin dito. Bilang panananda, babasahin ko sa ito. All things work together for good to them that love God. Nakuha ko ito yung activity natin sa and it reminds us what a beautiful today is. Wala po kaming mensahe na kundi pasasalamat po sa lahat po sa inyo na nagturo sa amin paano mag-servisyo ng libre na walang sweldo. We are at home today because and a short notice pinagbigyan po kami sir, to help this event for us. Today is a day of thanks. Mula sa aming Battalion Commander, Commander Baldulo, sir. Maraming salamat. Sa mga kaklase, kaibigan, mula sa Philippine Merchant Marine Academy Class of 2000, diyan po si Lieutenant Tabora, siyempre, Ensign Samaniego, Ensign Valenzuela, salamat po sa pagkalo, si Commodore Eugene ay medyo malilig lang daw po na biglang tinawag as presiding officer on their conference po sa poster po. And mula dito po, taos-puso namin na tatanggapin ang bagong rango at bagong hamon sa aming media. Bago po makalimutan, sige, dado na po, bilang representante ng PMMA Alumni Association, the President, the current President po, maraming pong salamat sa mga dumalo. Hanggang ngayon, wala po kaming presentation mula sa 20th. Facilities, brigade, nandyan po sila nandito. At kami rin po, kaya kung kami may bisita, kami rin po yung nag-volunteer papunta po kay BRP Lacan. So, tinake advantage na namin po. So, after po nito, another assignment will be done, another activity will be done by the ever-loyal 20th NFCDN. So, maraming pong salamat. Let's enjoy our lunch.
First and foremost, I would like to greet everybody a pleasant good day to you. So I think my classmate and now my senior officer, Commander Batalya, have already spoken everything. So, but I will not stop from thanking all of you who attended our momentous event. So especially to our battalion commander, Lieutenant Commander Balgua, our classmates who have attended this downing, and also to our NRSN NCR Commander Lumantas. We are very thankful that you have given us this opportunity to have our new rank to be put on our shoulder. And please rest assured that we will abide all the rules and regulations of the Philippine Navy, and we will do our very best to fulfill our duty as a new promoted officer in our ranks. So, to make my speech longer, thank you very much, and let us enjoy our lunch as my senior officer, Commander Batalya said. So, thank you very much.